Part 1. Install the gear shift cable. The trike needs to be upside down like video. The shifter cable has to be tight, or it'll affect the shifting. You can use a pair of pliers to tighten the shifter cable. You won't be able to shift the gears with loose cables. Part 2. Tuning the rear derailleur and shifter cables. There are 2 screws on the rear derailleur HL. Adjustment of these 2 screws regulates the position of the rear derailleur in relation to the gearshift of the disc. Chain in the smallest freewheel. The hand shifter is in 7th gear. Adjust the H screw to make sure the chain is centered on the smallest freewheel. Note: chain is in the center of the smallest freewheel. L screw equals largest disc equals 1 gear on handlebar. Adjust the position of the rear derailleur chain and the smallest disc by adjusting the H screws. Minimum disc in the middle of the chain, not too far out to fall off the chain easily. Don't lean too far in, it won't be easy to change speed. By adjusting the direction of the screws, you can visually see the chain and rear derailleur moving from side to side. After adjusting the H minimum disc, you can try shifting with the handle. Shifting in steps from 7-1. 1. Confirm the gear position of the handlebar. 2. Turn the chain forward with the pedal to see if the speed change is successful. When testing, raise the rear axle and let the rear 2 wheels hang in the air so that it is easy to adjust. 1. Tricycle needs to be tuned upside down. 2. Raise the rear axle and let the rear wheel hang, and watch the direction of the pedals. To test the shifting, confirm the gear position on handlebars before fluctuating the chain.